Abusia mo akwa badebale media Ghana. Se nedi kan we hwe message so be subscribe be like na do comment no ato ho ede amai. Enra na financial minister Kesewato Forson ede oman mu yakohumesika ede babetu dwa. MPP for the minority side of the parliament no. Omo de omo ntumi antwen. Omo ye ya no de away on boycott of parliament. Omo de dada omo ye. Na financial minister o chair na man ko for pilot jai et man ko for pilot pa ko time on cause be ready budget no e broso no buy financial minister na yehu no ti se bi na mabonten a o say where is financial minister o buy na do buy o de ba be kan ye no anopai na island media ya tena se a ye be pensen mu se we anya bi anhwa ye be mu hu ne e koye na eye match mu budget o be ready ye no sika ojiye no ye 223.8 billion a ojiye se ode ye yakohuma sika na aban zo spending about I think 250 billion that's sika na aban zo spending on that budget na obeye ye no demom ne o kan se sika 223.8 billion no only bi nka ho yes only bi emfa nka ho no ana
The Speaker, these are the following big push projects as approved by the Ministry of Finance. The Speaker, number 1, the construction of a new bridge on the Oti River at Dambai. Number 2, rehabilitation of Wahan Road. 3, upgrading of Tumu Hamile Road. 4, upgrading of Tumu Han Laura Road. 5, reconstruction of Navrongo Tumu Road. 6, rehabilitation of Techiman Nkonsia Wenchi Road. 7, rehabilitation of Wenchi Sola Road. 7, 8, Mr. Speaker, construction of Sunyani Outer Ring Road. Mr. Speaker, the construction of Kumasi Outer Ring Road, Eastern Quadrant. Mr. Speaker, the rehabilitation of Bintri Napanduri Road. Mr. Speaker, the rehabilitation of Dodo Pepeso and Kwanta Road. Rehabilitation of Atimpoku Esukuma Junction Road. Rehabilitation of Esukuma Junction to Enyinawase Road. Right Honorable Speaker, Enyinawase to Ho Titrenu Road. Mr. Speaker, we'll be upgrading the Akosombo Jakiti Kudikope Road. Mr. Speaker, we'll be upgrading Esukuma to Enumboso to Parliament Road. Mr. Speaker, Adome Bridge to Akomufre Road. We'll be upgrading Ho to Petoi Road. The Speaker, rehabilitation of Petoi to Afiadanyamepa Road. Mr. Speaker, will be rehabilitating Penny to Aflao Road. We will be dualizing Winneba to Mankesim Road. We'll be dualizing Cape Coast to Takrady Road. We'll be rehabilitating Mankesim Ejumako to Aguna Swedro Road. Mr. Speaker, we'll be rehabilitating Tema to Aflao Road. Construction of Dodowa to Afenya Dowenya Road. Right Honorable Speaker, we will be upgrading the Oyibi to Apollonia Afenya Road. Right Honorable Speaker, we'll be constructing the Enchi to Elubo Road. We'll also be constructing the Dadieso to Akontombra Road. We'll be upgrading the Adwefua to Ose Kojokrom Road. And we will be upgrading the Enchi to Kojoru Penchi Road. And finally, Mr. Speaker, we'll be upgrading the Bediako Junction, Camp 15 to Sefi, Adobokrom Road. Mr. Speaker, as part of the Big Push program, we have also selected the following abandoned road project for which no dedicated funding was allocated for by the previous administration to be included into the Big Push program. Mr. Speaker, the projects are as follows: upgrading of Kasua to Winneba Road, rehabilitation of Ofanko to Insawam Road, dual carriage. Right Honorable Speaker, dualization of Takrady to Aguna Junction Road, Mr. Speaker, the construction of Swami Interchange and local roads. Mr. Speaker, we'll also be constructing the National Route 18 from Wa to Han Road. And we'll be upgrading the Tumu to Chuchuliga to Navrongo, including the construction of 36-meter span reinforced concrete over the Kenyibi River and 24-meter span reinforced concrete over the Bichirulu River. Right, Honorable Speaker, we will be reconstructing the Navrongo to Sandama Road. Mr. Speaker, we will be rehabilitating the Tepa to Gosu Road, rehabilitating the Hohoi to Jasikan Road, and we will be rehabilitating Nkwanta to Oti Damanko Road. We will be reconstructing the Have to Hohoi Road, and we will dualize the Adenta Dodowa Road. Mr. Speaker, to conclude, we will reconstruct the Jenejene to Sampa Road.
Public debt, a decrease about 113.7 billion Ghana cedis. 113.7 billion Ghana cedis. Now you share way back, I think say June nimu that way, 2024 June ending nimu, and now 742 billion. And a car, yeah, public debt no near. No, may you know, ye debt in your domestic debt. Dientia ama ye debt ne swati sisi ane say a depreciation of the dollar no. Sisi a dollar no a swati. Enti ama si dinenya hoden. In the same kanena na dollar na 15 cedis so do be ka $200 ah. What the time say a 3,000 Ghana cedis. Na sisi ana about 10 no, iti odo bi ka $200 ah. What the time say a 2,000 na say so etumi ate amount. Nemom omo di dwa no say omo exporting niam akofa niam ba no. Omo di omo kan say enye dollar no say be depreciate na say ebeya yin na ehiomo. Omo pese stabilize emom. If you say okofa niam bi dollar na 10 cedis. Ana dollar na 10 cedis. Na so de ba bedu no, na say dollar na kwosoro a obeya dan to niam no. Awoso wadi bi ka ho. Ndi o pese omo hu say this year dollar na 10 cedis at 10 cedis. 15 cedis 15 cedis. 5 cedis 5 cedis. Into okofa ni nyoma no any calculation no hu say na ebeya oni say na obefa nyoma no say na obe onso beba ommoka no no so emfam bu obi nti eno na Ghana for e ka ho asem na otoso biem no o say omatuaka pa na mum some ghost names bu ho 14,000 people bu o me ghost names o mo hye ho no ma still into me identify.
President John Mahama has also taken a decision to remodel the Ghana Road Fund and refocus it towards road maintenance. As part of this media review, and on behalf of the government, the Minister for Roads and Highways will be laying before this House a new road maintenance trust fund bill. When approved, the Road Maintenance Trust Fund Bill will replace the Ghana Road Fund. Mr. Speaker, the Road Maintenance Trust Fund will, among others, provide for a new governance architecture, provide a formula for a fairer allocation of resources, and introduce more transparency in the utilization of road fund levy. Mr. Speaker, I am pleased to inform this House that we have paid all nursing and teacher training allowances from January to June 2025. Right, Honorable Speaker, from the end of this month, July 2025, all nursing and teacher trainees will receive their allowance promptly at the end of every single month.
Also be all still projects are completing this year. Yes, all still projects are completing this year. I say NDC. Oh yeah, the manifesto no or the shame something about big push. Na the last budget obeka no the 14 billion cedis and the question no na big push ni the omade be ya kwan you say Kumasi to Accra expressway no big push no ebe ye na adwuma e wo ho no bebo ama oman ni mu abai e ma cars etumi di akwaniaba e ma economy no etumi akonanim kama na mom sa 14 billion no Ghana cedis no eye revenue mo ba jejejeje ɛyɛ sika mbɛde didi ni nyinaa no nea bɛboro ɛyɛ saa 223.8 billion nso bia no ɔmo de bɛba bɛka ɛyɛ 14 billion no ho sɛ na bɛ ɔmo betumi de yɛ akwan a ɛhyehyɛ baabi a akwan no ɛnyɛ no yɛntie nsɛm na ɔkan no bi mmra.
This is the reset President Mahama promised. It has been 6 months of hard work. We have lessened the burden on households and businesses. Mr. Speaker, contrary to the perception that we are not spending, we are indeed spending and spending at the right places. We are making the right investment in the lives of the people of Ghana. Mr. Speaker, as we speak, an amount of $700 million US dollars of Eurobond obligations has been paid. An amount of 10 billion to domestic bondholders has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 2.9 billion Ghana cedis to the District Assembly's Common Fund has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 2.7 billion Ghana cedis to the Social Security and National Insurance Trust has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 9.1 billion Ghana cedis to the energy sector for stable power supply has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 5 billion Ghana cedis of arrest has been paid. Right, Honorable Speaker, an amount of 4.6 billion to the Ghana Education Trust Fund has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 1 billion Ghana cedis to the free secondary education program has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 4.6 billion Ghana cedis to the National Health Insurance Scheme has been paid. Right, Honorable Speaker, an amount of 1.4 billion for the National Health Insurance claims has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 252 million for vaccines and essential medicine has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 72.8 million Ghana cedis as capitation grant has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 895 million to the school feeding program has been paid. Right, Honorable Speaker, an amount of 477 million to the LEAP beneficiaries has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 122.8 million for BECE registration has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 300 million to the no fee stress policy has been paid. Right, Honorable Speaker, an amount of 191.7 million Ghana cedis as teacher training allowances has been paid. Mr. Speaker, again, an amount of 462.6 million as nursing training allowances has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 25 million as assembly members allowance has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 21 million Ghana cedis for National Apprenticeship Program has been paid. Right, Honorable Speaker, an amount of 34.5 million to the Jumawa program has been paid. Mr. Speaker, an amount of 2 billion Ghana cedis as goods and service to run effective and efficient government ministries, departments and agencies has been paid. Mr. Speaker, as we speak, an amount of 2 billion Ghana cedis to save the National Investment Bank has been paid. Right, Honorable Speaker, non-interest expenditure of 84.2 billion Ghana cedis has been paid. So far, Mr. Speaker, from January to June, total cash of 114.5 billion has been paid from the consolidated fund. Mr. Speaker, inflation has reduced significantly from 23.8% at the end of December 2024 to 13.7% at the end of June 2025. Mr. Speaker, it's important to know that this is the lowest since December 2021 and marks 6 months of continuous decline. Interest rate
8 years in office. There was a time he said that he has arrested the city. Why couldn't he do it?
Have you arrested the city?
Well, I can't say I've arrested the city.
Well, this is the evidence.
I can say that I've arrested the city.
This is the evidence.
I can say that the city has appreciated. That is what I can say.
Why are you running away from making the point?
No, because I'm not a policeman.
But
I'm not a policeman.
But this is the evidence. The evidence on the screen shows a historic appreciation of the city. I mean, looking at where it is, the sort of climb, 42.7, 42.6%. And if you look at where we're coming from and that steep climb there, the evidence is there, but you still don't want to say it because...
Well, let me say that. I'm focused. I'm very focused. We want to ensure that we'll end the year with the same level of appreciation. We want to make sure that this level of appreciation and the stability we are seeing is sustained.
Abusia senior tiano no financial minister abekan ewie nemom ye hwe se be ye adwuma senior okeka ne nsem no sisi a baby o man nam ne senior ye public debt no eso ate no se etumi toa so saa ebeboa yen na temamufo no yenso ye ho atumi atoyen budget no na we read no now expectation ne saying ebemu de na we hwe anim senka financial minister beka no okan anasa wanka memu ho comment section ho no aha ay ala media gan